Medinilla. Key features and information. Botanical name. Medinilla is a genus in the Melastomataceae family, with the most commonly known species being Medinilla magnifica, often referred to as the pink lantern or rose grape. Habitat. Medinilla species are native to tropical regions of Southeast Asia, including the Philippines, Malaysia, and Indonesia. They are typically found in humid, tropical rainforests, often growing as epiphytes, plants that grow on other plants, or terrestrially in shaded, moist environments. Leaves. Medinilla leaves are large, glossy, and elliptical, with prominent veins running through them. The leaves are dark green, leathery in texture, and can grow up to 12 inches long, giving the plant the lush, tropical appearance. Flowers. The flowers of Medinilla are one of its most stunning features. Colors. The flowers are typically pink to magenta, and in some species, they may be red or white. Structure. Medinilla flowers are borne in large, pendulous clusters, resembling hanging grapes or lanterns. The flowers are small, tubular, and grouped densely on the inflorescences, making them appear like elaborate pink clusters. Fragrance. Medinilla flowers are mildly fragrant, with a subtle sweetness that adds to the allure of the plant. Blooming time. Medinilla typically blooms in the late winter to early spring, with the flowering period lasting for several weeks. The striking flowers can appear in profusion during this time, making it a popular choice for ornamental displays. Adaptations. Tropical climate preference. Medinilla thrives in humid and warm conditions and requires consistent moisture to grow well. It does not tolerate frost and prefers temperatures between 60 degrees Fahrenheit and 80 degrees Fahrenheit, 15 degrees Celsius and 27 degrees Celsius. Epiphytic nature. Some species of Medinilla are epiphytic, meaning they can grow on trees or other structures, relying on air moisture for hydration. However, when grown as a houseplant or in gardens, they typically grow in soil with good drainage. Cultural symbolism. Medinilla, especially Medinilla magnifica, is admired for its beauty and is often used in floral displays and gardens. While it doesn't have as much symbolic cultural meaning as some flowers, its beauty is recognized in various cultures, particularly in tropical regions. Uses. 1. Ornamental plant. Medinilla is primarily grown as an ornamental plant for its dramatic, colorful flowers and glossy foliage. It is often seen in tropical or subtropical gardens and as an indoor plant in areas with appropriate conditions. It is commonly grown in hanging baskets or containers due to its drooping flower clusters and vine-like growth habit. 2. Houseplant. As an indoor plant, Medinilla is a favorite in tropical-themed rooms, conservatories, and greenhouses. It thrives in bright, indirect light and high humidity, making it a stunning addition to home decor. 3. Floral arrangements. The bright, clustered flowers of Medinilla are sometimes used in cut flower arrangements, especially in tropical floral designs. Ecological importance. Medinilla plays a role in its native ecosystems as an epiphyte, contributing to biodiversity in tropical rainforests by adding layers of greenery to trees and shrubs. While it is not widely recognized for its role in pollination, the vibrant flowers likely attract various pollinators in its natural habitat. Care and maintenance. Planting. Medinilla prefers well-draining, rich, acidic soil. It should be placed in bright, indirect light but not direct sunlight, which can scorch the leaves. Watering. Regular watering is essential to keep the soil moist but not waterlogged. It is important to avoid allowing the soil to dry out completely. Humidity. Since Medinilla is a tropical plant, it thrives in high humidity. Regular misting or the use of a humidity tray can help create the ideal environment, especially in indoor settings. Pruning. Pruning is not required unless the plant becomes leggy or needs to be shaped. After flowering, removing spent blooms can encourage fresh growth. Medinilla, with its lush foliage and vibrant, showy flowers, is a striking addition to both indoor and outdoor spaces in tropical and subtropical climates. Its beauty and unique appearance make it a favorite in ornamental horticulture.